Today, I want to share one of the ideas that someone that I was coaching came up with. You know about to-do lists and probably about the important urgent matrix. Well, this is a development on that theme. The purpose behind it is to give a sense of achievement to actually doing the things that are on your to-do list, and also to give some positive visual feedback about that achievement. So here's what you do. It's very simple, but I think that it is effective, and I urge you to give it a try and see if it works for you too. Okay, so divide up a sheet of paper or a whiteboard into 4 quadrants with 2 lines at right angles like you were drawing a graph in maths lessons at school. One axis is important, so anything near the bottom of that line is not important, and anything near the top is very important. The other line is the urgent line. Mine goes from left to right. So anything on the left side is not urgent, and anything on the right-hand side is very urgent. Now, that is all as normal for this way of organizing your jobs or tasks to do. You're probably familiar with it. Here's the twist, which I thought was creative and totally sensible. Use post-it notes to write your tasks on, but use 2. On the top one, put the task, and on the one underneath, put the word done on it. Then arrange your jobs as you would normally do in their appropriate place on the important urgent matrix according to their priority of importance and urgency. Then as you do each task, you just pull the top post-it off, and lo and behold, you have a sense of accomplishment. So as you do all the tasks, you see done, done, done all over the board. And before you know it, you see what you've done. Bingo! And the beauty of this is it builds success momentum, so you actually feel that you're getting somewhere. Plus, added bonus here, if you keep the top post-it notes with the jobs on, you have a ready-made list of everything that you've done, which is great for showing people or just for keeping a record of what you've been doing at work. You could even date them if you wanted to. So that's it today, the bingo board to-do list. Thanks to James for that one, it was inspired. Try it out for yourself and see if it works for you, and comment below if it does. It'd be great to hear from you. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. If you found this video useful, then why not take a look at this one? I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.